What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $7,000, $10,000, $118,000 per month just by re-uploading simple videos to YouTube that have already been created for you. And I'm going to be showing you channels that are doing this, exactly how to do this step by step, and how to make money fast. But if for some reason you don't like this strategy, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a bonus strategy that I'm personally doing that can make you even more money online. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into the video. All right, so first off, this is the picture you saw at the beginning of this channel's estimated monthly earnings, 7.4K to 118,000, which is absolutely insane, right? And just so you know, this is actually legit. This is from a website called Social Blade. I have it open right here. And basically on Social Blade, you can just enter in a username and get analytics for their channel for whatever social media account it's on. And I just have a Chrome extension so I can actually see it on YouTube, which is pretty cool. But these estimates, sometimes they're lower, sometimes they're higher. Like for mine, my estimated monthly revenue is like 3 times higher than what they say. But for channels like these, it's safe to assume they're probably in the middle. But even if it was just 7,000, that's insane, right? What would an extra 7,000 per month do for you? I mean, it's not bad for just uploading simple videos to YouTube, right? And this estimated monthly earnings is only from their ad revenue. Like on YouTube, the ad revenue when ads play on the video, that's it. And there's way more ways to monetize than just YouTube ad revenue. And I'm gonna actually show you something that I've never revealed before later on in this video, so make sure you keep watching. Now, what is it that this channel does, right? So this is called Top 5 Best, and all they're doing on this channel is they're uploading other people's videos and putting them in a list form, right? Like top 5 best, top 10 best, stuff like that. Maybe you've seen those videos before. And if we go down right here, you can see they pretty much focus on animals. They do a lot of dog stuff, like 10 rarest dog breeds in the world. But there's tons of other niches than just like animals or things like that. I have a couple other channels open here. Like right here, we got another top 5s, but this one focuses on scary stuff, like real scary videos, the biggest news in UFO history, like extraterrestrial stuff. And then right here, this is actually one of my favorite ones, but this is another top 5, and this one is just like tech gear. And this is one of my favorite ones because it's probably more easy, but all of them are really pretty simple. And for this exact example, I'm going to choose the first one because the way he does this is insane. It's pretty crazy. But even if this isn't the type of stuff you're interested in, I promise there's a niche for you. Like for example, if we go to the homepage quick, an easy way to find good channels in the list format or like the top 5, top 10, if we just go here and we type in top 5 or top 10 and hit enter, and then you go right here to filter, right? And then you just go to channel. Look at. Now these are all top 5, best top 5, and you can find so many different channels right here to get information and to model off of. It's very, very simple. But now that you've seen proof that it works, like this channel right here is making bank, now I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So once you've picked a channel that you want to actually model off of, like for this, we're just going to use this as an example, but you could even go even more niche down. Like you could just be top 5 best dog channel, right? Like it doesn't have to just be top 5 best. It's totally up to you, but just find a bunch of channels that are related to that and subscribe to them so you can start getting ideas. Because the best way to get good video ideas is going to their videos, and then what you do is you go here and you sort by, and then you go to most popular, and then you know which videos perform the best from that content. And if you have 10 or 20 channels that do the exact same thing, and you're just finding the best content from all the channels and remaking it in your own way, that's the best way and the quickest way to success on YouTube. But how do we get these videos? How do they do it? So there's actually a few ways to do it, but with this channel, I picked this one because he does something very, very interesting, and I'll show you a few ways to get the videos, but this way is something I haven't seen before. And right here, this is what he says at the beginning of the video. Check this out.
Before we start, this vid is from my friend's channel.
He literally says, this video is from my friend's channel. It's not his content. And then he just says, I'll put a link to their content or their channel below, so make sure to subscribe to them. But then you could still have issues with copyright, and I'll explain more on that later. But It's just really, the issues come if you're trying to monetize, which I'll show you again ways to get around that, but just keep watching, trust me here, because this is insane strategy. And you can see right here, one of his videos, look, top 5 best, it has ads on it. So he's monetized and he's literally doing this exact strategy using other people's videos. But for example, let's say you wanted to do the tech channel and you were doing the top 5 2-in-1 laptops, right? You could just go to other channels related to this and find content from them. And you could also go to Google, search in reviews, and go to YouTube, search in reviews of certain laptops. And then literally what these people do is they just like take pictures from Amazon and stuff like that, and then they make it into a video. It's very, very simple. And that's like if you're going to do the tech channel, because a lot of people do reviews and you can take a certain amount of content from people. There's like a certain amount of fair use and stuff like that. And another good resource is like Pixabay or Unsplash. And like I like Pixabay, it's pretty good. You can go here and you could type in computer, right? And then hit enter. And then instead of images, you go right here to videos. And then these right here are copyright free videos that you don't have to give attribution, and you can add these into your video, you know, and it's really good to have footage like this as well, so you can make your own unique content without just taking their entire video, but adding in some of your own stuff, right? It's very, very simple. And then for example, let's say instead we are doing the 10 rarest dog breeds in the world, but we made the 5 rarest dog breeds in the world. We could just take 5 of their 10, and then what you would do is you go to Google and you would type in download YouTube video, and you would go to YouTube Mate Downloader, okay? And then you would take this guy's link right here of that video, you would post it right here, and then start the download. And then you would just download, you see right here, this is the exact video. You would download it in 1080 MP4. Then what you would do from here is you would hit download, and then there it is. You got the video right here. You just wait for it to finish downloading. And then again, you would go here, you would type in stuff like dog, right? And then you use some footage from here, right? And then you just mix up the content from that video and then take some footage from this and put it into one video, right? I hope that makes sense. Comment below if that's not making sense or you need any help with that specifically. But you could also just do what that guy did at the beginning, where he's like showing the different channels that he used the content from, and that's another way to do it. But yeah, there's many ways to do it. And as you can see, like I showed you before, his channel is actually monetized. This is an actual ad right here. If I hit play, this is an ad on this guy's channel. So he's actually monetized. But to make these videos, you do have to use a video editor. I personally use Camtasia, that is a paid software, but there is free tools out there. Like for example, if we go to Google and then you just type in OpenShot, it's right here, openshot.org, okay? And then you just click here, or you can download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it up quick. And while that's opening, I'm gonna just download a dog video quick, just so I can have 2 separate videos, so I can kind of show you how this works quick. And as you can see right here, Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, so I'm just gonna download it, and then you wanna make sure it's 1920 by 1080. Okay, so then you hit download, and you can donate or follow them, but you do not have to do that, okay? It says right here, crediting isn't required, but leaking back is greatly appreciated and allows videos authors to gain exposure. And you don't have to do that, but if you want to, go ahead. But now you can see right here, we have the 2 videos. We have the YouTube video and this dog video. And again, you could get more pictures, videos. And the reason we also subscribe to all these channels is because it's really easy to kind of see what they're doing and model after that, right? I'm not saying copy it, but just do it in your own way, right? It's very, very simple. So now let's go to OpenShot. It should be open. All right, so this is what a basic video editor looks like. Again, it's not gonna be as good as like Camtasia or Final Cut or any of those ones where you gotta pay money for, but it works just fine, especially if you're short on money. Okay, so this is 100% free, and it works just fine. So this is kind of how it looks for any video editor. If you have never used one, it's really not as hard as it looks. And right when you open it up, they'll show you a tutorial. So that'll help. But real quick, it's so basic. So what we would do is we would go to import files right here. We would take the 2 files we got right here, open, and then you would just drag one onto the timeline right here. Okay, so now this is the video, literally the YouTube video right here. Okay, so what we could do if we wanted to add the dog one, we just put it up here, and then if it's above it, it will play over whatever you're playing. You see how it just played over that? Okay, so now say you wanted to delete stuff out of it. How you do that, right? So what we would do is we would right click, and then we would hit slice, and then you could say keep both sides, keep left side, keep right side. So if we said keep right side, it would delete everything to the left of where our line is right here. So I'll show you what that does. Now it deleted all that. Okay, so now we could just put that right there. All right, now you could either keep the audio from here, or what you could do is go to volume, and you could go to entire clip, and then you could go to 0, and then you could record your own, like you could write your own script and record your own voiceover. So there's many ways to go about this, and there's tons of things you can do even on this free editor. This isn't like a full tutorial on how to use an editor. It's really very simple. Okay, so pretty much you're just gonna take a few videos, slice them, put them together, and then add some audio that you recorded. And then you would just go to file, and then you would export project, okay, and then export video. And that's really as complicated as it needs to be. Now, let's say you have no free time at all and you have more money than you have time, okay? Now, if you have more time than you have money, I suggest doing this all on your own. But if you have more money than you have time, you go to a place like Fiverr. Let's say you don't want to do a voiceover yourself. Let's do voiceover for YouTube video. You can see right here, I will voice over your YouTube video, $5. That's it, right? $5. I will create HD videos for your YouTube channel. So they'll create the video, $5. Let's say you didn't want to edit the video. Edit for YouTube. So editing is a little more expensive, but it's really simple to do. So I edit all my videos myself. I suggest you doing that when you start out. If you have absolutely no time at all, then you can do it. Or you can go to places like Upwork, and you could actually hire video editors from like the Philippines, stuff like that. And it'll be a little more cheap, and they're typically much better than Fiverr. But for little things like voiceover or thumbnails, things like that, even a script, they could write your script and you could do the voiceover. You could find just about anything you need on Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, so that's the other way if you don't want to do it yourself. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you make up the videos, many different ways. If you're confused about anything, feel free to leave a comment down below. I respond to them all. And if you're getting some value out of this video so far, make sure to smash the like button to help with the YouTube algorithm. But now, the important part, how to make the money with these channels. So the first way, like I showed you, again, is with Social Blade. The main way a lot of these channels make their money is from YouTube ad revenue. And that doesn't mean that that's the only way they can make money, but because they get so many views, it's really a big income stream. But unfortunately, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to be monetized on YouTube. However, like I said, there's many ways to monetize prior to being monetized on YouTube. And my favorite way is with affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're basically just an online middleman. You get a referral link, also called an affiliate link, and if someone clicks that link and purchases, you get a commission. And a quick and easy way to get affiliate products for just about every single niche is with the largest affiliate network in the world, ClickBank. And it's nice because it's 100% free and it's available in almost every country. Okay, so all you got to do is go to clickbank.com and then you go sign up right here. And once you've created your account, you go to the marketplace right here, and you can either go by categories or you can type in something. Like, for example, let's type in dog if we are doing the dog channel. And then what you would do is you would sort it right here by gravity, because that'll show the best selling products. And then you can see right here, brain training for dogs. You can make $31 on average. All right. So now what you would do is you would just hit promote. You would put in your account nickname and then generate the link. This is your affiliate link. All right. Now you would want to shorten that link, which we can talk about at a later time. But basically you would shorten it with bit.ly or tinyurl or whatever. And then you would put that link in all of your videos descriptions, like this guy does and I do. I have links in my description, and some of them may be affiliate links. And then if someone clicks on it and purchases, you make a sale. And that's how you do it. And affiliate marketing is super powerful. It's what I've built my entire business off of. The only thing I don't like about ClickBank is a lot of their products are smaller ticket items, like that dog product. It was $31. And yeah, that's nice. It's still some money for sure, and you should definitely do that. But the thing that I like about what I promote is it's high ticket affiliate marketing. And the program I'm promoting is unlike anything else. You can earn commissions of $1,000 and higher, and you don't even have to do the selling yourself. And this program completely changed everything for me and my business forever. And you can get started for just $7 today, right? So if you go down into the description, you'll see something that says program that makes me $1,000 commissions. Okay, so you just want to click the link below that, and that's how you can get started. Now, there's one last thing I want to add, and this is something that I've never revealed before and something brand new that I'm starting, and I want to give you the first chance to be a part of it. So I've been getting asked a ton lately because I make videos about different ways to make money online, but people are asking, how do you make money online, right? And the way I do it, like I said, is with high ticket affiliate marketing. But how do I get people to actually buy the stuff? Like I said, with this program, it's a lot different. But the way I get people to see the program is what I'm doing right now with YouTube, the #1 platform in the world. By far, it's the #2 search engine in the world, only topped by the #1 search engine, Google, which owns YouTube, where you can also get traffic on YouTube from Google, right? So it's the most powerful platform by far. It allows me to make $1,000 commissions on autopilot while I'm sleeping, okay? So this completely changed my life, and I want to do something special, because I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I want to do something very special for everyone who is a part of the journey. And I've decided to start a new program. It's going to be an 8 to 10 week training program. And the first group is only going to be 10 or 15 people max, because I want it to be a small group. And I'm going to take you through live how to start a YouTube channel and make high ticket commissions on YouTube. And this is truly nothing like anything else out there. This is actually what I'm doing. This is actually what I've done to succeed. And I'm going to be doing it, like I said, live for the first group, so I can get you the best results and tailor the training specifically for you. And just so you know, I've been actually making money with affiliate marketing long before I got 10,000 subscribers. Here's a picture. This is actually me the first time I got on the leaderboard, the first time I made $1,000 commission, and I had barely any subscribers. So it definitely works for small YouTubers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get there from A to Z. And there's many reasons why I think that starting your own personal YouTube channel is better than just doing the ones like I showed you, although they do work. But YouTube's been changing things lately, and it's harder to get monetized on channels like I was just showing you. But with your personal brand and your personal channel, sky's the limit. For example, I don't know if you've heard, but Joe Rogan, he's got like one of the biggest podcasts in the world. I think it is the #1 podcast. But Spotify just gave him a deal, a $100 million deal, to make his podcast, his personal brand, exclusive to Spotify. Okay? That's not possible if you don't start your own personal brand. Okay, so truly the sky is the limit with your own personal brand. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to gain 3,000 subscribers a month, thousands of views a day, thousands of dollars on autopilot without ever having to create my own product, needing any fancy funnels or crazy tech stuff. And it's all super, super simple, especially when you have the blueprint. And that's what I'm doing. Now, this isn't a free program by any means, but if you're interested at all, I urge you to go to hightticketyt.com, and then you can fill out an application, because obviously I can't take everyone, and I want it to be as small and close-knit as possible, because once people start getting results, that's when I'll open it back up, maybe a few months down the road, and then other people can join. But the first group, I'm going to actually do it all live, the only time ever. So again, if you're interested, fill out the application on hightticketyt.com. And I'm looking forward to working with you with that and whatever else in the future. But if you got some value out of this video, regardless of what you end up doing, make sure to smash that like button. That's all I got. Till next time.